Okay, guys. So and that is 200. So you will be giving 100. Yes, unapatikana Matisi jina. This is my friend. Use the travel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pius, the traveler, and I'm here with Gold Sun Sam.
Yeah, hello guys.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here at our main highway. We are heading to the local store where we get some building
construction material.
Yeah.
So we are going to maybe take cement and the iron.
Yeah.
Yes.
Metal.
Wait, chuma. Chuma, guys. So we call it chuma. So guys, and today is market day here. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, they operate alongside the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, there's some books there, then the plastic, then there is that clothes there, there is some suits there, material, and also okay, Safaricom company, communication company has put something here, okay, selling also phones. We have police station here. Okay. The door. Alright. It's there. So now, guys, it's market day. That's why you're seeing everything. So many things alongside the road. Yes. So, yeah. So it's like this because they are so okay. It's congested because it's a market day today in this area. So that's why they are all over right now.
Yeah.
Yes, some fruits over there. Bananas, mangoes. We have arrow roots there. We also have. We also have the firewood business here. Firewood business. So, and it's so good. Hello. Yes. So again, guys, this is Transoia, Kitale, East Africa.
Kenya.
Kenya. Yeah. It's in Kenya, guys.
Even the cows are on business.
On business, yes. These cows are taken to be sold to the market. They are taken to the market to be sold. So they are so macheted. Yes. So they are so thin anyway, according to me. So, lot of businesses, foodstuffs, clothes, some books, because we are going to that season of opening schools. Back to school. So we have all that. That's why you see there is a lot of books being sold. Okay, now, it's here. So we are going to this near market here. What? Hardware. We are going to this hardware. Aniko hardware. So that, guys, you can buy from here. So, this hardware. Let's see the price. Karibu. we are here at Nico Hardware. So we want to take some cement over there. Some cement, which is over here. Some cement and the metal. Where is the metal? I think it's somewhere. It should be here, but they will show us the metal. Then from there okay, here is the cement. So for somebody who donated one cement, thank you so much. Want to appreciate for that. Though you didn't want to be disclosed anyway, but thank you so much. God bless you. God enlarge your territory. God bless you more and more. So guys, we are going to buy the cement right now and some of the iron, iron bars. So then we proceed to do the construction, the construction site. Guys, still at the center here. So guys, we are here just from the hardware. Now we are going back home. So hot right now, isn't it?
Yeah, very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's January. January is very hot month.
January is so sunny.
Yeah, so sunny.
Yeah. So this is our market. Aha.
Summertime here.
Summertime.
Very hot.
Very hot.
And clear sky, as you can see.
Very clear. Clear sky, guys. Can you see? Aha. Very clear. Clear sky. Guys, that route goes all the way to Kitale town, and there is the one, okay, going this way, okay, where my face is facing right now. You go up to some border, yeah, some borders Kenya and Uganda. So you can, this is the route to Swam border of Uganda. So we are here, guys. So, aha. Okay. You have something else to say?
Calling someone.
Yes.
They come over so that we can do some sellings here in the market.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sasa uko wapi? So we have got a lot, and there is this girl. Tembea huku sawa. Right there is that signboard over there. That signboard is a signboard of a zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing. But look at how they are operating. They don't care if it is there or not. That's the difference. The difference between here and other developed counties. You see, so fast. If you are to cross there, you are the one to wait instead of the vehicle or the motorbike to wait. Right there is a pedestrian crossing and bumps. You know, in Africa we have that bump. Yeah, so we have this indisciplined motorbikes and also some drivers. So guys, let's go home. Let me show you around as we go home. Ati unataka nini? Unataka nini? Hakuna, twende basi. Very good. Thank you. Habari zenu? I wish ingekuwa kubwa kidogo. Lakini ngapi? Bag. We. Chagulia watoto wako panty. Azizaje?
Kwa ni 50 ndogo sana sina.
So guys, we are mzuri. Mambo. Tukuchukue video. Haya, sawa. Ja advertise.
Okay, na uza manguo. Hapa ni 200, hapo ni 150.
Hapa ni 150.
Na unapatikana Matisi.
Unapatikana Matisi.
Matisi.
Jina?
Naitwa Cheryl.
Oh, asante.
Karibu Kitale.
Na pia mahali pengine unapatikana?
Town.
Town
na Gilwa kama Masoko.
Oh. Na wenye wanataka kuoda kutoka kwako direct?
Wanaweza ni WhatsApp. Namba ya simu ni 0799068588.
Anzia +254 kwa sababu ni watu wengi.
+254.
Badala ya 0 anzia. Sasa toa 0 +254 alafu toa 0 weka hizo manamba zingine. Good. Asante. Happy New Year. Bye. Asante. Pius. Pius the Traveler. Ni YouTube. Pius the Traveler kwa YouTube. So guys, we are buying shoes. We are buying shoes. Crocs. You see? So they're negotiating the price. It's 350. That one. They are good. Hii ni smart. Bei ni ngapi? Na iko double. Umechukua pandi ya nani? Oh. Hiyo ni ngumu. Kama nimeweza kunaglei. Na ni double. Ni bei nzuri tu. Iko sawa. Three? 350. Si ni double. Hebu nione ndani. Ni double hii size. Sidhani kama anaweza badilisha kwa sababu zinakuanga hata ukiuliza mbele. Hiyo ndio bei. Si ya kuosha ama kuna ingine? Si na hii
Ama achukue hiyo.
Oh, hii ni black. Mguu yako inatosha na si inaingia?
Inamtosha.
Hey, black is a good color. That one, no? That one, no. But this one is good. The black one is good. Aha. Naona tukishare. Yoyote ile, we ni gani inakupendeza? So guys, between the black one and the which color is this? Brown. The brown one. So which one is good? So golds and some. Which one? This one? It's okay. It's bigger. Oh, in 40? Oh, so you wear 44?
When it comes to shoes,
Yes.
42.
Oh, now but in Crocs?
4.
Oh, that is it, how much? How many dollars?
45.
Wow.
Sound $3.
That one is so big.
$3.
Yes. So which one are you going with? You go with those ones. Okay, guys. There is gold and some. Aha.
Hii ni ndogo. So I'm going with this one.
Okay.
Sijafanya video yangu, shika hii, nishike hivi. I saw some beautiful shoes. Actually, mine is
Okay, guys. So it's already packed. All right. Kumbe tungetafuta thumbnail huko kwa hardware ama wapi? Thumbnail itatoka wapi hapa? Kwa manguo. Oh, sawa. Okay. Ishara ruka. Wataka kuuza tena? Oh, ime. Okay, guys, right now leta nikusaidie moja. Okay, guys, so let me show you around. Very nice clothes over there. Sasa. So and also some curtains. Very nice curtains. Hello. Ko salama? Haya. Tunaendelea poa? Asante. Uko sokoni? Asante. Alafu tuko na mwingine hapa anaitwa Mary. Mary, mambo. Tunachukua video tu ya YouTube. Sasa imekaa mbaya. Mwaka mpya kweli inakaa mbaya aje, itakani ianze hivyo. So I have my friend here, anaitwa Mary. Huyo mwenye mnaona hapo, ako na vitu vizuri unaweza tembea, kuna curtains. Hizi ni curtains ama leso? Kuna leso, curtains, yes. Curtains, uniforms, guys, for those who want to buy their kids some uniform, ziko hapa. Sweta safi safi kwa bei mzuri sana. Na ndio huyo, angalieni uso wake vizuri. Wevia watu wakujue, fanya tu hivi. Fanya hivi.
Hizi ni ngapi?
Mulete kakitu. So guys, kuna bags hapo za shule, kuna also blankets. So guys, mkija mchangie, huyu ni rafiki yetu. So kija hapa mtampata Matis every Friday, sio? Na siku zingine unakuwa wapi? Anakuwa kwa another market. So
hata hizi zote.
Ni ndogo sana.
Inamtosha, kiasi yake ni kidogo.
Miaka ngapi?
Ni 6.
Hajafika 6. Kuna mtoto mwaka 6 anaweza tosha hii. Kabisa.
Si alikuwa na 5. Alikuwa na 5. Kafanya.
So guys, nyinyi mkuja hapa sokoni, kuje mtampata hapa karibu na this tank, karibu na hiyo tank. Afu just opposite the school there, hapa tu opposite mtampata hapo. So vitu safi safi, vitu safi safi, vitu safi safi, some nice stuffs here.
Umefika wapi kwa mama Ushindi?
Okay, biashara iendelee sasa. Oh, sorry. You are buying two?
Buying two for gravy.
And
the Ivan.
Oh, wow.
You see,
How much is that?
Is a loot ball.
Oh.
So this one is $1.
$1. Okay, $1. Both of it? Oh, $1. Okay. That is 100 bob in Kenya shillings. Yeah. So and that is 200.
200 bob Kenyan shillings.
So you will be giving 100.
And then I'll be given a change.
Yes, of 100.
Yeah, 100.
All right. Business here as usual. Pius. Pius the traveler.
Haya, asante.
Pius.
Thank you.
Haya.
Ama ulete, uko na data nikusachie? Sasa. Okay guys. Sorry. Oh, there is still some space here. Guys, if you want to buy some socks, we have them, all of them here. Habari ya leo. And also jeans and some jerseys you can come and buy. So, and also some good stuffs there you can still come and buy. School bags, so many things, and some nice trousers here you can still come and buy. Yeah, they are only found on Fridays. If you come here on Fridays, you can find them. Some shoes, school shoes. Yeah, these are second-hand shoes, so you can still come and buy some nice good things. Sikuchukui. And also some bags, Nigerian bags, and Nigerian material, very nice material, and some bags and curtains you can come and buy in this market. Okay. Habari ya leo. Sasa kuja kununua viatu pia kwa huyu mzee, wafanyie tu hivi. Na waambie wakuja wanunue viatu hapa. Waambie watakuja. Ni mzuri kujiadvertise. Uko poa? So guys, let's go. So what else do you want to see, guys? Trousers. Yeah, some trousers. Yes.
What kind of a trousers?
Okay. Want them to come and buy.
We have jeans here. We have what? We have vintage here. You see?
Let me be on this side. Yeah.
We have jeans here.
You have jeans here.
We have jeans here. You see? We have many things. We have what? We have materials here.
We have also some shorts there.
We have a shirt here.
Yes.
Men's short. Men's short.
Perfect.
Yeah.
How much is it? Maybe
This is 450.
450. That is around $4.
That's $4.
Yes.
And this is 650.
650. That is around $5.
And this one is 750.
750.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is a drunken.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Pius from He's a drunken and he's a thief. Young guy, you guys have not seen him. Be careful. Get the watch of me, Hana Sungamega.
Okay, guys. So he's selling the trouser. You can come and buy. Okay, it's just opposite this Shakuru shopping center. Just opposite.
Yeah, here is Matisi.
Yeah.
Matisi in Kitzal.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you come and buy from them. Kwatai. Okay, sawa. Okay, guys, they have very good stuffs here. You can come and buy. Yeah. So see you. You want to say something?
He doesn't know Kingereza. What's got it?
Okay. So Matis, we'll be buying this, eh? Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So this is a nice one, eh? You can still come and buy from him. So nice. Nice stuff. Perfect. A very nice stuff.
Very nice khaki, you see?
Very nice khaki.
Khaki.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. See you.
China.
This is from where?
This is from UK.
From UK. From
UK.
Turkey.
This is not from China.
From Turkey.
From Turkey.
Okay.
It's not from China.
Okay, now bye bye. Okay. So guys, this is the market now. And those guys are so happy. They just want to advertise their stuffs. Yeah, from this website. Habari ya leo. Yeah.
Unaenda ukituma nini?
Sisi tunaadvertisia watu nini tu hapa
Sasa?
tukiunda nini yetu ya YouTube video.
Hata mimi niko ndani ya video.
Kwa
namna gani? Bei yako aje?
Ako salama.
Uko mzima? Jose ndio tunaonana na mama, lakini wewe uonekani.
Na huyu
haonekani.
Mwanzia.
Tuko poa?
Tuko poa.
Asante. Tuko azima na sisi.
So this is our mom.
Yeah.
By the name Mama
Esther.
Mama Esther. Yes. Anauza some nice stuffs here. Na kwani zimeisha? Oh. Kuna zile pale, there is tunahitaji
Ile tu utaibatika.
Oh, CD.
Nini? Kuna inaitwa aje? Presia.
Yes, Brazil. Oh, okay, those ones. Tell us on the yes, bra. So some nice bras and some panties, very nice one. Yeah. So this mom Esther.
Yeah, Mama Esther.
Yeah. Utampata hapa. You'll find her here. Every Fridays.
Every Friday.
Yes. Mark sura yake. Yes. Yes, ukimwona mwambie ulimuona YouTube na unataka kununua. Okay, sawa, asante. Bye. Haya. Asante. So guys, see all these stuffs. Some plastics. So many things. So niaje? Nice trousers, nice panties, nice vest. Yeah, you can come and select your choice. Yeah, so we have some mattresses here. So some mattresses, some buffets. Some buffets. T-shirts hapo kwa huyo mama. T-shirts na trouser. Imagine na kuadvertise here. Aya, plastics, okay, stuffs there. Jugs, basins, very nice things. Very nice stuffs. Okay, and utensils. Everything is here, guys. Everything is here. Also, some washing detergents. Okay, everything is here. Books. Everything that you want is available. Sasa, kopoa? Sawa. Wasalimie wawe pia. Okay. Tisa mogo. Aya, sawa. So, okay. Wow, iko loaded. So there is some soaps. So, okay guys, this is my friend Isaiah. Yes. And he's the one putting the bag. The solar what?
Yeah, so the lighting. Street lights.
Yes, street lights.
Yeah.
Yes, he's the one putting with his
the crew of everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. So they are the ones putting the stuff. So tulisoma na huyu jamaa. Huyu jamaa msimuone hivi. Si mdogo vile mnafikiria. Amezeeka. Waambie.
Nilisoma na rafiki yangu hapo.
Yes.
High school, Pius.
Yes.
High school moja.
Yeah.
I'm not as young as you guys think.
Yes.
I'm aged.
But it's good to be young.
I'm aged.
Yeah.
I'm very aged. And I'm very pleased to meet with him.
Yes.
He has met me while I'm working at my field. And
so guys, he does a lot of things, by the way. Also doing the what?
water purification system.
Yes, water verification system.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I also do Wi-Fi connection.
Oh,
Wi-Fi connection.
And we need
we need one.
We need Wi-Fi at home.
We need this one. The one
Fiber.
Yes,
Fiber.
the fiber.
Yeah.
You'll give me your number because we have the one that has the receiver. Yeah, but we want to do away from it.
That's normally not stable.
Yeah, exactly. It's not that stable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that one buffers a lot. It's true. Yeah. So we'll be calling you to install for us just there.
So,
Where you met me the other day.
Isaac place.
Yes, Isaac's place.
I'm the
That's
one who put.
I bought somewhere. You're the one who.
Yeah, Isaac is using wine. The old plants.
Ah.
The brother.
Sasa tulikuwa nakutafuta.
Oh my God. How do you
We are looking for you.
Isaac's brother.
Yes. Okay.
Madam Chief.
Oh. Ah. Then let me take your number then because now I will take this phone.
So they are installing the street lights. You can see they run up to the other side, the street lights, and they have what we call the solar system. So this is the main road. You can see from the other side, the main road all the way to town and Swam. This is the main. What do you call this road? That connect to the border point. There is a name.
Okay. Swam what?
Yeah, it's that road, but there is a specific name.
I don't know.
GA1, GA1,
Oh.
something. The main highway to the border. There is a name which
Okay.
is always given.
Unaona hii plot ya juu. Ukiingia tu iko opportunity. Hello guys. So the guy we bought the cement from and the other material has just said that we go, then we'll be delivering it at home. So we will be waiting for it at home. So we are going at home to wait for it. Or it's already gone.
I think we are waiting. We'll see. I think they haven't. Okay, I'm not sure because we have.
Okay,
we have,
guys, we have also
some-
some foods there being cooked there, fish. Okay, so on. Just from the shop and on our way from buying the cement and some iron bars with the what? Okay, so we are going back home. So just pass by to pick these stuffs, as you can see. So we bought them because we realized it's a market day. So we passed there to collect at least some things, some small things, these stuffs and some other clothes. Yeah. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, guys. So here is the market now. So we are going home. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.